The Seven of Cups opens the realm of dreams, illusions, and overwhelming possibility. A lone silhouetted figure stands before 7 golden cups floating upon a cloud, the central symbol of the card. With their back to us, the figure represents anyone confronting desire, confusion, or fantasy. The outline of the body against the glowing haze captures the moment when imagination dazzles the senses and the heart hesitates between longing and discernment. The first supporting symbol is the cloud carrying the 7 cups. This shifting vapor represents imagination without grounding, the mind's theatre where visions form but lack substance. Clouds can uplift with inspiration or obscure truth entirely. Here, they warn that choices built on illusion dissolve when confronted with reality. The second symbol is the 7 of Cups themselves. Unlike the stable, earthly vessels of earlier cards, these cups drift in midair, showing scattered emotional energy and the pull of multiple desires. 7 traditionally signifies spiritual testing and introspection. The cups mirror the psyche, revealing both potential and temptation. The third symbol lies in the images rising from the cups: a radiant head, a shrouded figure, a snake, a tower, jewels, a laurel wreath, and a dragon. Each represents a facet of human yearning. The head suggests ideal love or glamorized self-image. The shrouded figure, mystery or hidden truth. The snake, wisdom or deceit. The tower, ambition and security. Jewels, material desire. The wreath, victory or egoic pride. And the dragon, the shadow or danger of unbridled craving. Together, they show the spectrum of possibility from enlightenment to illusion. The fourth symbol is the interplay of the light and shadow. The cups glow with an almost seductive radiance, while the figure stands in darkness. This contrast reveals the psychological tension of the card, the lure of fantasy against the uncertainty of what is actually real. Light here does not equal truth. It is the brightness of temptation. The fifth symbol is the dreamer's posture, arms slightly raised, body leaning forward. This stance expresses fascination mixed with paralysis. The figure is caught between desire and hesitation, overwhelmed rather than empowered by choice. In readings, the 7 of Cups signals indecision, fantasy, or scattered desire, but also untapped creative potential. It asks for discernment. Choose the one cup aligned with truth and let the rest dissolve. It is the moment before clarity dawns.